Shit, man, that's crazy. In just a month and a half, like you're doing pretty good.
Yeah, I'm working my ass off. It's a lot of work. I don't think anyone really realizes how much work is put into getting everything up and running. I mean, I already had a ton of sex toys, so I was able to just kind of run with it. But I know there's girls who are just getting into it who don't own sex toys, and I'm just like, girl, you gotta, like, that's a lot of my content. Like, even though I have partners and I do that, but I have a lot of custom requests for just solo. Like, hey, can you fuck yourself with a dildo as hard as you can until you cry? And I'm like, yeah, I can do, but like, you got to have the stuff that they want, and it sucks to have to go out and buy it. So I can't imagine the girls starting out fresh. But yeah, so there's like sex toys and clothing. Like, I don't really own too much lingerie. I honestly am pretty much a nudist when I'm at home. I don't wear clothes ever. So it's just basically my partners, we don't really do that. So I had to buy some lingerie stuff and like get the lighting and the tools for everything, and like running out of space on my phone. Like, I'm having to put stuff on a laptop now. Like, there's a lot of money put into this. It's quite insane, actually. I didn't anticipate it being this expensive to start up and go, but it is what it is, right?
Yeah, that seems to be like the running theme with all of this is like, like all the stuff that you don't think about, like when you quote a price to someone, like, like they don't think about like all the, the stuff that goes into it and the cleanup, that could be time consuming, right?
Sure can. Oh God, cleanup is, oh my God. People are interesting, and I don't kick shame at all. Like, I'll do pretty much anything. Like, there's some limits I have, but not many. But oh my gosh, the amount of piss videos I do for people, and I don't mind. I'm into piss play myself a little bit. Like, I'm a very dominant person at times. I'm a switch, but I'm more dominant with my submissive, and I want to like face fuck him and then piss in his throat. Like, it's just like the amount of time and effort it is to, like, they want you to piss on your floor, and it's like, is it worth it? I'm going to upcharge you a lot. I'm going to pee on the concrete. Like, I don't know. Like, there's insane stuff, like the food play, and I have no problem with doing any of this, but people don't really think about it. Like, I just wrecked my entire flooring, and I need to clean this up. It's going to take me an hour to mop, like, syrup out of my shirt. That's junk now. Like, it's insane, and people don't think about it at all, actually. It's a lot of work, but I mean, it's a lot of fun and it's a lot of pleasure too. So you really have to take that into consideration. You got to have fun with it, but also understand that there is cleanup and stuff. So
like, do you take any of that into consideration when you're quoting a price? Like, all right, this is going to take me this much time to do this and that. Or you just throw prices out there. You're just like, this is what it is, fuckface.
Yeah, at first I really didn't think about it. I was just like, yeah, you know what? This is about right, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm winging it. And then after a lot of time was spent into setting up, cleanup, doing the video a couple times to make sure it was done right, editing it, and I don't do much editing, but still, it all takes time. It's just, you realize, like, okay, it's not quite worth the amount of effort you're putting in if you don't charge a little bit more. I used to charge a lot less, and I feel like now I'm up at about average pricing, maybe middle high on pricing compared to all the other ladies out there. I know there's people that charge way more than me, but I don't think I have a big enough base to have people pay me that much yet until I have a better following and customers that want to pay more. But right now, I think I make a decent amount for what I do. Like, I don't feel like I'm losing anything. I think I'm a little bit above, So I think I'm pretty fairly priced considering. But at first, I was losing money hardcore. Like, I was just like, yeah, give me $3 for this 10-minute video. That's fine. What? No, don't do that. That's stupid. You got to think about it.
But yeah, if you charge too little, you're fucked.
Well, you come out behind and it's just not even worth it. I mean, it could be fun. Like, I enjoy what I do, but it's still, you want to have it worth your time at least. So you figure that out, you learn, you up your prices just a little bit.